Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Sophie Davis and I'm a first-time YouTuber. I'm all about hair growth and wellness, and in the video you're about to see today is how I've taken inspiration from fellow YouTubers to actually start to grow my hair back. So today what I'm going to be talking about is how I've grown probably just over an inch of hair using the ayurvedic methods along with essential oils. So I'm going to be showing you what works for my fine 4C hair. And so in this video, I will be giving you the lowdown on my midweek and end of week hair care routine. So stay tuned in. This is the aloe moringa tea from the previous video and these products for today. So I start off with Jamaican black castor oil, then some sage oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and some coconut oil by Genni, henna powder, and fennugreek powder. So I go ahead and put about 2 teaspoons of the henna powder and the fennugreek powder. So what I'll do is I'll link the quantities in the description bar and how many drops I've put of each essential oil and the other oils I've used in this video. So once I've mixed everything together, this is the result that I get, a smooth oil ready to use on my hair. All I do now is put it into my applicator bottle ready for use. And I leave this overnight because of the lawson dye in the henna powder. So this is what it looks like. Along with the oil and the tea, I use Okhora to seal my ends. So first things first, I spray my hair with the aloe and moringa tea. I then massage it in my scalp and then work the way through the hair from root to tip. Just avoiding the ends because I don't want fairy knots. So I try and avoid getting the ends as wet as much as possible. So then the next stage I go in is actually applying my oil. So I give it a shake and yeah, so I go in to actually apply some of the oil. And again, I want to work that through the root to the tip, so I do it gently. I like to be really gentle with my hair just so I don't actually cause any unnecessary tangling or any unnecessary knots. So I work it from root to tip. So that's mainly what I like to do, and I like to give my scalp a good massage to actually stimulate it. So once I've done that, I actually go on to twist the hair. So I'm just twisting it back again to where it was for the past few days. And I do it quite gently because I've got very low density hair, so I don't want to snag on my hair or anything like that. So once I've done that, I go in and seal in with my Okhora hair food. So it's like basically like a sheer butter. It's so good for actually stretching the ends out and getting any unnecessary tangles out. So I'll go in and seal my ends, and as you can see, that's how the first step to how I do it. And then I just finish off the rest of my hair doing the same method, working my way through the roots and then through the ends, and making sure I stretch the ends with the sheer food, hair food, because it's so important that I actually stretch the ends to avoid any fairy knots. So once I've done that, I go in and massage my edges in a circular motion, and just really to get the blood flow stimulated to that area. So next I stretch my hair and protect the ends with putting them up, putting bobby pins in them, but I'm very careful when I do this. So lastly, I use a silk bonnet to tie my hair. So this just keeps everything in place. It keeps the hair protected from when I'm going to sleep, throughout the day, if I'm going for a workout. It just does everything really, and it's got a tie at the back. So this, I actually got it from a local store, but the whole thing's actually silk, so there's no cotton around the ends to ruin my edges. So that's your lot. That is how I maintain my hair throughout the week and before wash days. So if you do like this, please give a thumbs up and comment in the post below. Thank you for watching, and I will be sharing my next video real soon. Bye bye.